Hey, what's up guys, and PhD here, and in front of me I have two phones, the iPhone 7 Plus and the iPhone 7, and I don't do that many live unboxing style videos every year, but this is definitely one of them, and you'll notice I have the matte black iPhone 7 Plus and the jet black, so the super glossy iPhone 7. I'm gonna take a look at both of these and we'll actually compare them and hopefully get a better idea of which one you might want to get if you're considering one of the two new colors. Yeah, this is the retail box experience, and this is exactly what we're going to get if you buy an iPhone 7. So they're both to 50 to 60 iPhones. Let's go ahead and open the boxes. We'll start with the glossy black. We'll start with the jet black iPhone. You notice it's a black box. If you buy a jet black iPhone, you'll get one of those rare black Apple boxes, and right off the bat, you don't get the phone at the top, you get the designed by Apple in California paperwork, and then there is the iPhone in all its glossy glory, and the plastic on the screen protector that is about as fingerprint free as this iPhone will ever be. But the hair it is. Then put this on the side and see what we get in the box. Number 1, you get your earpods, not EverPods. These are your lightning attached earbuds. Well, first of all, here's your dongle, your adapter. This is your lightning to 3.5mm headphone jack adapter, and it's $9 if you lose this, but it's sold in the Apple store. And then yeah, these are your lightning earbuds. Can see what the lightning connector right there. You will get a lightning cable to connect your computer, connect to iTunes if you ever decide to do that in your wall adapter. So let's go ahead and move on and get the matte black iPhone out the box. That feeling is going to look very similar inside, but let's go ahead and make sure. So again, go phone at the top, paperwork, move DHA,